Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the forgot password using the Supabase in the React. Let's get started. So here we have the project. Okay, so here we have the forgot password. Okay, in the forgot password we have to enter the email that you want to get the retrieve the password, right? So here you can see that we have a temp mail. I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to paste over here to get the forgot password link. So send the reset link. Just loader, right? Loading part, and it's sending the link. If we have sent the password reset link to this one, and if I go to this one, where's my email? So yeah, reset your password. Okay, so you'll get this one, reset password, follow this link to reset your password. Okay, so when I click on this one, you will get the reset password link, which will going to be in the next video. Let's first of all complete the forgot password over there. So here we have the component that named as forgot password. Okay, so here we have the forgot password, which require the email, right? And whether the email sent or not sent, we are going to do this one. Okay, so you have to use the use auth link. Use auth basically we have discussed in the last video. Okay, so here we have, now in this one we have the forgot password also. No, because we have to do the reset password later on. Okay, forgot password is just for clicking the link and we'll get the email for that one. Okay, so for that one we have to call the reset password. Okay, so in the use auth we have the reset password, you will get the link. Okay, so here we have the link, supabase.auth.reset password for email, just for triggering the email. After that, we have to reset the password with the update password, right? So redirect to the window.location.origin reset password. Okay, after you get from the, you can say the email, right? So with this one, the email will trigger, right? And we have the forgot password screen right now. So here we have this one. If there is a reset, we are going to send the reset with email. If there is error, set that error. Otherwise, password reset email sent, check your inbox. We are going to set this message. Here you can see that, check your email, we have sent a reset password link to this one. Didn't receive, try again. Okay, so this is if email sent, then we are going to show check your email, we have sent the reset password link. Didn't receive, check this one. Okay, if not, then there would be a simple like forgot your email password. So here we have the error, then we'll go with our simple email address, which would require id, email type, class, placeholder, value on change, and then we have the submit button with the loading. Okay, so sign in here, then forget password, and after that we have to import this screen in the app.jsx file. Okay, so here we have the supervised.js file lib, which we have already discussed. Now we have the app.jsx file where we have to add the link or import that one, that is forget password. Okay, so here we have the forget password link for the routing process. Okay, so here we have the forget password, right? This is done. In the next video, we are talking about the reset password. So after this link, we'll click on, we are going to reset that password. Okay. So that's it for now. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. If you want the full-fledged source code, just do let me know in the comment section. I'll just share that person the full source code for that one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.